The InfiRay T2S Plus, available on Aliexpress, stands as a testament to their commitment to excellence. This professional thermal imaging camera, designed to seamlessly integrate with smartphones, opens up a world of possibilities for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. The InfiRay T2S Plus is not your average thermal imaging camera. It's a compact powerhouse packed with features that redefine the capabilities of smartphone-based thermal imaging. Engineered to be conveniently plugged into Android smartphones via Type-C connection, this device transforms your smartphone into a powerful tool for thermal analysis. The versatility of the InfiRay T2S Plus is one of its most impressive attributes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DE enthusiast, this thermal imaging camera caters to a wide range of applications. Finding heat loss. With its high-resolution thermal imaging capabilities, the T2S Plus is adept at identifying areas of heat loss in buildings, making it an invaluable tool for energy auditors and HVAC technicians. Insulation condition assessment. Detecting insulation defects is crucial for maintaining energy efficiency in buildings. The T2S Plus enables users to pinpoint areas of poor insulation quickly and accurately. Electrical problems detection. Electrical faults can pose significant safety hazards. The T2S Plus allows users to identify overheating components in electrical systems, preventing potential fire hazards and equipment failures. Water damage assessment. Water damage can wreak havoc on properties if left unchecked. By detecting moisture and water intrusion, the T2S Plus helps mitigate potential damage and mold growth. Real-time imaging. Experience real-time thermal imaging directly on your smartphone screen, providing instant feedback for quick decision-making.